segment, if that tickles your fancy. Make sure to watch the next 5 minutes of this Gay the Atheist segment for a little surprise appearance.
Yes. Well, you're going to have to wait longer than 5 minutes. Yeah. I mean, they're worth watching anyway.
But there's a cameo. You, Johnny and I are just not technically capable. So thank you so much for all the work you guys do. Everyone else should be thanking them as.
Wrong way.
Oh, what? Are you sure?
Yes. Go with traffic. Are you sure?
Donald Trump manages to pick off 1 or 2 senators where he needs.
You're an idiot.
Appeared to agree to what the president in the White House driveway a month ago.
Yes, the conspiracy theories are as old as the I mean, we've been conspiratorial
Nice.
and we're wired that way.
Run over some
Evolution has
pedestrians,
put
why
the
don't you?
idea that a rustling
Alternative acupunctuating, pressurized, stereogram, pyramidal, free energy healing, water downward spiral, brain dead, pan sales pitch.
Turn on your lights!
Info docutainment.
Yep, on the phone. Literally holding it in front of her face. Still looking at it. That's what's most important. Oh shit. Looks fun. I bet you they were not paying attention. Because that's how accidents happen. Didn't even look. Gorgeous. Good job.
It's the benefit of the doubt that they are reasonably clear, ready to engage in conversation honestly and logically. This is clearly not always the case. Many refuse to accept reality and common sense. Many of them just keep on digging.
Wow.
And some of them just
Good
put
job.
a bunch of shit around.
What?
You're not a clown, you're the entire circus.
Wow, cheater. What are you doing? Nice parking spot.
he is barely my assholes.
No. What the fuck? Really? Just gonna stop right here? Nice parking spot, dude.
Stopping goes that I'm talking about, actually that's the second mildest of the penalties. So absolutely splendid in the sunshine. The track temperature over 50 degrees, the air temperature round about 30 degrees.
Serious.
And even hotter on the track.
As many cars are double parked.
Antonio Giovinazzi is the Alfa Romeo ahead of him.
Good spot right there.
Gasly and Alfa Tauri that really hasn't been going well this weekend.
No one in there.
Made adjustments to his rear
No one in there.
after his crash in the sprint yesterday. Started the pit lane but gave him a better chance.
She is so close to that. She is in a panic. It's like, damn it, Hobby, we had a code. You were supposed to call if you were fired. Why did you put me
You
through
could have
that?
gone.
I'm fucking traumatized over here.
Don't worry, honey. Now you get a raise as my wife. You passed my test.
And going home, and parents had to be perpetuating these horrible ideas.
Yeah.
And must have been doing Holocaust apologetics.
Yeah,
World
it's
War
just
II, like alternate histories and whatnot. Like
or
it's
not alternate histories where they
or
just say,
just-
you know, we as the white race almost made it. We almost got rid of everybody else, but we didn't quite do it. So
yeah.
I guess we're gonna have to try again.
And and it seems like they are. It's really alarming, and Germany is like, they're struggling to figure out,
Good job.
what to do.
Yeah, well,
how to
it's not
handle
like,
this. Like, it's
thank God we don't have this problem in our country.
Is going to be a real challenge, and if we lose ground, it's so bad. And I hope that Trump won't be on the ticket, and so I don't know what the Republican side will look like. I also don't know what the Democratic side will look like without that energy of like, I need to go vote against Trump. So who knows? But we got to do everything we can.
A few moments later. "20 minutes later."
Further.
Yeah, that's why we're here. So why do you believe the God created it over anything else?
Oh my God. Not your light.
Why is God? Yeah.
miss this light.
And I'm going to make an effort to rectify that going forward, because we're all in this together. And with a SCOTUS this hostile to women's rights and trans rights, that's never been true. So in keeping with that
Great
goal,
turn
our
signal.
first story this week is about a bigoted jackass named...
A potential scandal with the Buffalo PD surfaced today when the mayor demanded that as a response to allegations
Yeah, looks like my new co-anchor may need a glass of water.
Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. In other news, the Prime Minister of Sweden visited Washington today, and my tiny little nipples went to France.
What did he just say?
Check the prompter.
Prompt just fine. Evan, read the copy, please. The copy's good. Just read it.
The White House Reception Committee greeted the Prime Rib Roast Minister, and I do the cha-cha like a sissy girl. I like a do the cha-cha. I'm sorry, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Doesn't get it.
In other news. My apologies.
That in the summer of 2019. Well, now, almost exactly 2 years later, it is in fact that U.S. Attorney's Office in the Eastern District of New York that has in fact brought a
private parties, and everybody ahead of me has a Sixth Amendment right to a speedy trial. But like, you know,
sidewalks on your right.
I just.
Sidewalks on your left.
Go with as many as will fall out of the sky during the apocalypse.
That's accurate. Okay.
See, as a budding
Go.
connoisseur of Christian music, I would say that this isn't that bad, actually.
Oh
there
my
were
God!
some
What are you afraid
in
of?
the background. You could tell.
Are having a heart-to-heart about how they don't trust the public school system.
Well, yeah, I mean, this is how you know that Javier is a real Christian, right?
Yeah.
Like, why wouldn't he trust the education system that's going to give his kids a leg up in this country, you know, right? Like, who could possibly want a good foundation in STEM?
Right,
you know?
But instead, yes, he like a good.
Are you fool? Yeah, come on.
Well, and that's the thing is, all that this movie
Trunk's open for you.
like how desperate they are for Javi to have work. These kids are both of school age. If he sent his kids to school, his wife could also have a job.
Right.
But it is more important to this movie that he literally starves.
Well, and his
How you
kids
doing?
can have meals.
Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah, for sure.
For them that they're like, nah, fuck that. Jesus says don't.
Yeah, Jesus says don't. There's also good news here. Alex has gotten him a job at the thread factory.
He's literally like, hey, you know
Jesus
that
Christ.
thread factory over on Clark? Oh, yeah, thread factory.
Alright, all set? And we're headed to the
You were
airport.
like, no.
Oh, sorry.
I was like, oh.
No, that was. I was trying to wave high. Oh, look at this idiot. Alright, headed to the airport flying Alaska.
Yeah,
Alright.
on Alaska Airlines, yeah. Going to actually.